everybody, welcome and thank you for tuning in. We are on the pre-finals for the Black Plate Closed State Title Championship down at Indy 800 Butterfly Farm. We're still at the back, even though we got second in our class for the third heat. We're still at the back for the pre-finals, and this is 100% the worst racing I've ever done. So, in context, I was just being hot-headed, I wasn't thinking, I was overdriving the car. Because I'm in dead last, so I'm behind 3 classes. I'm behind Tag Restricted Light, my class, Tag Restricted Medium, and Tag Restricted Heavy. So I'm at the very, very back of 3 classes, back of the field. And the pre-finals is going to set your position for the finals. And ideally, I want to be near my field, like near my class. And we'll pause it for a second. I'll be with you for the whole commentary because I don't finish the race. Beautiful start. Beautiful start. Very, very bold and risky, but that was a beautiful start. I saw a little gap on the inside. I took it. I did push my way in a bit, and I did jump the ripple strip. Very risky, but it did pay off. Unfortunately, I did lose position coming out of that corner for the straight. But yeah. So, coming into this heat, this pre-finals, I was just set on trying to get as close as, because there was about 6-7 karts in front of the drivers that I was racing in my class. I was just thinking, I've got to get in front of everyone. I've got to get as close as I can to my field, so in the finals I have a much better chance. And I'll just leave it at that. Just wasn't thinking at all. So a few drivers collide there, it gets me closer to the back of them. I get a good pass on there because they had a bit of a bingle in the corner. Got a bit of a better exit on that corner there. Try to get side by side with him because I'm on the outside. I just don't get that grip. And then because of that, I do lose the position again. So every time that happens, there's a saying. It's like it's not red eyes or something. Or I wouldn't say I blacked out, but every time a mistake was happening from me, like once again another mistake. I shouldn't have really tried to take that. I should have just followed him. But I'm making mistakes, and I'm just getting less and less, let's just say, intelligent. Wasn't thinking. I was like thinking less the more I was making mistakes. Again, I probably shouldn't have tried to duck my nose in there. I didn't lose much time, so that wasn't too bad. I'm trying to get him a bit scared, trying to get him to make mistakes because I'm put my nose in there. Don't know what happened there. I lost a bit of gap there, but once again, trying to put my nose somewhere where it doesn't really need to be. Probably shouldn't have try to stick it in there because the corner had already come and gone, so there's no way I was going to be able to pass him. But I still haven't lost any ground on him. But because I'm battling this guy, the people in front of me and him, once again, made another mistake trying to stick my nose in, and another person passes me. So I'm getting more, I can't think of the word, but you all probably know, I'm like getting irritated, aggravated, just like my blood's boiling because I know I can be further up, but I'm just making these little tiny mistakes that are unnecessary. And just then, when that guy passed me, I was just a bit frustrated. I believe he let me pass because he knew I made a mistake, and I wasn't fighting him. He was in tag heavy, so I think he did let me repass him, which was nice of him. And you can see I've already caught back up to this driver here, but time has already gone. Like, it's just, yeah, it's very hard to watch because I can see, I know the moments where I'm a bit There I got a really good run because I wasn't close to him coming into that little not sharp, but that little fast left. Because I wasn't as close to him, I was able to get right up on him on that corner as well. So this is where it goes really downhill, because now I'm pushing way too hard. I'm overdriving the car. I'm pushing it way too hard, trying to catch back up to the people that have just gapped me, and they are about as straight ahead of me, and this is where it all goes downhill. So I come off this corner here, pushing, and what I did was I broke a little bit too late, and it just locks up, doesn't turn, and just slides. Like I was just going straight, fully locked. Yeah, track was still a little bit too cold, but that happens. So in the finals, once again, I'm starting from the very back. Yeah.